What's that sound? Do you hear it? It's a funny squeaky sound.
Well, hey guys, if you watched my last video, you'll probably know that I bought a 2005 TJ Unlimited, or an LJ for those of you who are not familiar with the Jeep terminology. That's okay. I got that Jeep so I could drive and wheel something while Brad is working on my JK, getting some new axles and some other upgrades, and also getting ready for some additional things that are going to be happening, which we're going to talk about later on for sure. So in my last video, I mentioned that the LJ has got a couple of things that needs to get worked on, one of which is a belt and pulley issue. So today on the channel, we're going to fix that. So this past Saturday, I was working on a tutorial to replace the belt, the idler pulley, and the tensioner on the LJ. And that's normally like a 20 to 30 minute process. It's really not that big of a deal. And then, well, this happened.
There shouldn't be a whole lot of effort that's needed to take this bolt out, but just be careful because it can strip out. Make sure that you have full engagement here. Now these have been known, the tensioners have been known to corrode on the back side, so we might have an issue getting it off the actual engine block. We'll cross that bridge. All right, so we got that off, but it was really corroded back there. And here's a really big problem. The back side of the tensioner has two little nubs on it that line up in the engine block right here. And that one was so corroded that it broke off. So it is now stuck inside the engine block, and I got to get that out. So I'll see you when that happens.
Yeah, so fun times. Don't worry though, I put a how-to in the description below, and I'll probably do myself and you guys some justice by making this video again sometime in the future. Oh, and for those of you who are wondering if it's fixed, it took some serious doing. I had to pull the alternator, then the alternator bracket that is attached to the engine block, just so I can get that bracket over to my workbench and clean out all the corrosion and then put everything back together. And I'm so glad I did that. It was kind of a mad rush because I live here in Asheville and we had a huge snowstorm, and we were supposed to go wheeling the very next day, and it was also getting dark and it was starting to snow and.
Well boys, we're back in business.
If you made it this far into the video, seriously, thank you for watching. It really helps me a lot when you watch these videos and you like and subscribe, and maybe even hit that notification bell, especially if you found any value from this. One bit of value is if you hit the notification bell, then you're gonna see the next time that I screw up a simple project like this. Until next time, I hope you're living life adventurously, and I will see you on the trail.